make some cute little glow-in-the-dark mushroom earrings with our brand new mold and some neon color burst. First, I'm going in and just layering all 6 colors. This is so easy to do. And once you get all of the colors layered in the way that you like them, add a little heat to make them run together. And then just take a toothpick or a little micro brush like this, feather it down, and we're going to cure it for 60 seconds on each side. These are so cute. Let's go ahead and put them together, but clean them up first. We're using our deburring tool to peel away any excess resin that got on the mold when we started to cure. We're going to go ahead and deburrow out the middle hole as well so that when we attach our hardware, it's super easy to do. Once you're done cleaning those up, we're going to grab a piece of sandpaper. 180 to 220 grit is my favorite. We're going to sand it and roughen it up really good so that that nice top coat will adhere really well. Clean it up with a little alcohol, add your top coat, and I want to show you without a stay put mat, your piece wiggles around and it's a little harder to do. With a stay put mat, super easy, stays put, and makes it super easy to put into the lamp to cure as well. We're going to titrate up 6 watts to 36 watts in 10-second intervals, add our hardware, and then here is the end result. These are adorable. Hope you guys enjoyed these as much as I do.